Donna Bush. Thanks for joining us for this Wednesday evening for your CIG Television News Brief. The Ministry of Education and Department of Education Services announced today that the Cayman Islands Further Education Center will temporarily operate from an alternative site at the start of this school year. It's all due to unexpected delays in completing the renovations to the former George Hicks site. Now, officials explained that the team has explored various solutions, including split site arrangements and alternative ways to leverage available resources and spaces without compromising the quality of education. DES Director Mr. Mark Ray says they recognize the inconvenience and uncertainty this situation may cause for some of our students, parents, and staff. However, they are committed to minimizing disruptions while providing the best possible education for our students. Mr. Ray went on to say that he assures stakeholders that the DES is in constant communication with the project team and will provide stakeholders with regular updates on the progress of the new facility. Meantime, residents and visitors alike are asked to get ready for an extraordinary celebration of Caymanian history, music, and culture at Pirates Week this year. From November 8th to the 30th, there will be parades, delicious food, exciting reenactments, and events that everyone can enjoy. Pirates Week is more than just food, fun, and music. It's actually a celebration that brings Caymanian culture to the forefront like no other event. You're encouraged to mark your calendars and stay tuned for more details. Well, the Family Resource Center is offering a range of parenting and family programs starting in September. It's all designed to meet the diverse needs of families. Many parents have shared positive feedback, recommending the program to anyone seeking effective tools and support for raising happy, resilient children. If you're interested in these benefits for your family, you can contact the FRC at frc@gov.ky or give them a call at 949-0006. Be sure to follow them on Instagram and Facebook as well for all updates. All programs are government funded and free of charge for all residents raising children here in the Cayman Islands. All right, let's have a look now at our weather forecast, which indicates isolated showers that are lingering over the Cayman Islands area. It's due to a surface trough to the west of us. Now, the chance of showers will decrease overnight. For tonight, expect partly cloudy skies with a 40% chance of showers and possible thunderstorms. Seas will be slight with wave heights of 1 to 3 feet. Looking ahead, a tropical wave is expected to move over the Cayman Islands area by early Friday morning, bringing with it increased cloudiness and a higher chance of showers as it moves west of our area. Of course, we encourage you to check out the best source for local weather coverage. That's the Cayman Islands National Weather Service's website, as well as their Facebook page. If you happen to be watching us on our CIG YouTube channel, we just ask you to take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for the most accurate local government news. Until tomorrow, I'm Donna Bush. Have a wonderful evening.